Hi guys, sine unboxing benisithi ndizayenza ibe proper ke sana ibe right ndithi ndimbonise izinto, but no, this is an unboxing guys, just a quick unboxing because I need the sneakers. Fanele ndisebenzisile. Siqaleni ngezi ziyi-2 as sneakers esizozi unboxa. That's as the first sneaker, which is Dolce & Gabbana. I'm not sure if you guys can see. Yoqala leda itake enze unboxa. Guys, ogola ndifuna lethi kudala ndifuna letake, and then my friend was like, say no more my babe, say no more. Wathengela umhlokazi wami. Oh guys, ayendilala sitapeni ayendilala. Nancy guys, itake yam. Like ogola ndifuna no pink, and chom yam yandithengela exactly the color nandifuna. Like nje. So nasi sona esi sneaker sase Dolce & Gabbana, and then yeah, I think that's all. And then what's this? And that's is more guys. Oh, I don't think it's a baby. What? And then we also have the sneaker, which is the LV sneaker. That's unboxing. So I'm not sure. Nobody's gonna in. Wait, sister is. Some close sleep. I'm not sure guys, but because I sleep because the paper bags say LV Zazi needs it. But I think it's a same Malin. I'm not sure. So na samba name. Samanale headband. I think it was how much? No guys, answer kumbuli because we paid 42k. Yes, 42k, and got ne shauka Amin. Never do I take answer kumbuli guys, but ALV, so but I know but I take it's 25k. Yes, it's 25k. So basizeni kulo. Guys, abela unipulisheni nathi nayithenga le take, unipulisheni nathi nayithenga. Ngiyaqhatha savings zami ndathenga le take. Oh nice. I think yeah. I'm not sure if you guys can see, but yeah. Bathe bagqibile. That to spoil it down. So I think this was 4 point something the headband, and then it was 25. It's 25. Hello. That's guys, I died at using a color because black color than but I still like this one. But like color navy, but nangenayo is size, and I was like, you know what, the tartan why color echo because funegen bena so sneaker ndangasala lindawo guys. Love it down. If we and you've been following me, you will know that I've always wanted a sneaker. That's double as dubulanga, but then to back as dubulando zambona ngesi sneaker. Niza kundibona ngesi sneaker, and guess what? Silala.